What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As always, thank you so much for tuning in and checking out what we have in store for you. So these next few videos coming up on the channel, surprisingly, are not going to be anything we're doing to the Ghost here. So for now, the Ghost is completely built out. I'm not really planning on doing a whole lot with the Ghost for now. In the future, we will be doing a substantial motor upgrade, and I'll leave that for a future video to explain what we're going to be doing. But let's just say this 117 is going to get a lot bigger. This video today is going to be the first of many. So just a quick little rundown, little backstory. My brother, who you'll be meeting here shortly, Michael, just purchased a 2026 Road Glide CVO ST. Beautiful bike. Absolutely gorgeous. And as you guys know, I am a full supporter of Bad Boy Cycles. It's not because they send me shit free of cost. It's not because they're just a sponsor. They are first and foremost a great company with great products. I'm just lucky enough that I've been able to form a great relationship with them and they've become a channel sponsor. But in this video, everything you see was paid for full price minus the discount that you can also use, which is on the screen here, RGN11 at checkout with Bad Boy Cycles, and that's 10% off your entire order. That's what I did to buy this stuff you're about to see that we're going to be putting on Michael's CVO ST. Today we're just going to be doing bag guards and his Freedom Series V2 CVO seat. Michael's never had any Bad Boy Cycles seats on any of his bikes. So I'm genuinely curious to get his initial reaction and thoughts on the seat once we get it on and go for a rip. But yeah, for all the people that state, oh, you only vouch for Bad Boys because they've sent you free seats and you do reviews on them. No, that's not true. I've literally paid out of pocket for the seat that we're putting on this CVO and the bag guards. And he has a King Tour Pack pad coming that should be here in the next few days. This is just one of a few videos coming up for this CVO that we're going to be doing. So stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, definitely hit the subscribe button because there is going to be some pretty decent work that we're going to be doing to this 2026 CVO ST. You have a 2023.5 and newer Road Glide. Definitely hit that subscribe button and see what we're going to be doing with this 2026. So without further ado, let's jump in. I'm going to do an unboxing. Definitely stick around to see his reaction for this seat because he's used to like Mustangs and just Harley seats. So yeah, let's dive in. He's going to be pulling up here soon. I'm going to get my bike out of the way so he can pull his in and we can get it up on the lift and get going. And I'll just do a quick walkthrough on the installation of the bag guards and we'll show just kind of how everything looks before and after. Let's dive in. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. Let's do it. So we got our sliders, set those up to the side. One thing with bad boys is they package everything really well. We got our bottom cross member bars that our bags are going to sit on. Set these off to the side. And these are side oriented, so you're going to have a left side and a right side, and you'll see by how the flange on these is. The flange points a certain way, so just keep that in mind when you're lining these up to put them on. So the first thing we're going to do is get the saddlebags off, get the side covers off, and then we can get these put on. And then we got to take the factory saddlebag cross members off. All right, side covers are coming off. Just we don't want to accidentally ding those. Now we can take the crossbar off. So we got this side off, the longer bolt that's closest to you. It's a Torx 45. And then there's one more just on the inside back here, and it's smaller. I'm guessing a Torx 40. All right. Here's the difference. So the reason they do it this way, I'll show you. So Bad Boys is up there at the top. This is stock at the bottom. So there's, obviously it's all the same mating areas, like the flanges, but when you put the actual bag guard on, it's going to slide over top of this. This is why this one's so much shorter. And it's going to slide over top, and then it's held into place. There's holes that are drilled in, and they give you the hardware to put them together, but it just reinforces. So you'll see what I mean here in just a second. So we're going to get this one on, but we're not going to tighten it all the way because we still need to slide. We want a little bit of flexion just to be able to tighten. If we have to move it a little bit to slide the bag guard on itself. So here's your bag, Bad Boy Cycle Sends. This is all the hardware you're going to need for this installation. It comes in the bag with your sliders. So it's these bolts, these skinnier ones. There's two of them. These are what's going to connect the bottom cross member bar to your bag guards. Just reuse Harley's hardware for this. So I'll have you just hold this here. Just a little dab of Loctite. I'm not going to make you guys watch all this. We're literally just going in opposite of what we just did. So put your hardware back on the way you took it off, and then we'll put our grommet back in, and then we'll go to step 2. All right, we got this on the bottom crossbar, and then we're going to stick the bag guard on. Show you guys. You've probably seen them from my other video, but that is some thick steel tubing. Okay, so we got it on. Michael got it on. All right, last thing, tighten this, and then we can throw our bag on, do a test fit. We already retightened our mounting bracket for the exhaust. One thing we're going to be doing right is taking the Harley exhaust off and doing a 2-in-1 system. It's on the agenda at some point.
Yep.
Now let's throw the bag on and see how it looks before we throw our pucks on. Check the clearance of the bags and the guards. Looks good. Nice streamlined. All right, guys, so we got the other side put on, got everything torqued down, bracket for the exhaust torqued down. We got our pucks on. We got our little Fast Johnny side cover back on. We just got to put the bag on and then put the new Freedom Series V2 seat and passenger pillion on. But first, I'm just going to wipe down the bike while it's all exposed. Looks really good. And they're extremely thick. They're thick boys. Push down and then slide it up. There you go. So we'll tighten that down and then get the passenger pillion put on. So that's it, guys. That's the install. Not too bad, right?
Nope, not at all.
Pretty simple. Literally, like if you're not filming the process, normally it would probably take you 30 minutes to put both side bag guards and your seat on, and it looks killer. It looks a lot better than stock.
Yes.
I think it looks really, really good.
Yes.
So yeah, I think next step is get on this thing, feel how this new seat is, and you're gonna have to let me know.
Put some miles on it.
I mean, you've never been on a Bad Boy Cycles seat before, so this is really a blind reaction for me in person of somebody else riding on one of these seats for the first time. So we're gonna go rip around for a minute, and then we'll report back with what he thinks. So let's do it. Let's go ride.
All right.
Okay. First impressions.
Loved it.
You loved it?
Loved it.
How's it feel?
Feels great.
Better than stock?
Oh yeah, a hell of a lot better than stock.
Better than
Better than my Mustang that I have on my Road King.
You took the words out of my mouth. I was going to say better than your Mustang.
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought so too, because I switched from a Mustang years back. I went with Bad Boys and never looked back. And they're amazing company. They're amazing people. Michael had the opportunity to kind of listen to Elias and myself kind of chit-chatting back and forth. They're just really, really down-to-earth people. If you haven't checked them out, go check them out. badboycycles.com. Use promo code RGN11. That'll give you 10% off. No, I don't make a commission. I wish I did, but I don't. But support small business, support American made. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Until next time, peace out. Be safe. We'll see you.